Hey guys, welcome back. This video I'm just going to kind of show you, a couple of you people just how to change an oil on a vehicle. Typically changing your oil on a vehicle, you only have two things you really have to undo. You're going to have to undo the bolt on the oil pan and as well as the oil filter. And all you're going to need to do this is you're going to need just a basic 3/8 inch ratchet set and a catch pan, of course your oil, and I will recommend using a brand new oil filter every time you change it. That way if you do have any contaminants in it, you're not rerunning that through your vehicle, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, and right here on the front of the motor is my oil filter, right here by the fan. And here is my bolt for the oil itself to come out of. So you're just going to go ahead and loosen that. Take that off. Then you're going to take that off. Put that back in. Put this in. Then all you have to do is put your oil in and you're done. Hey guys, welcome back. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys a product that I've been hearing a lot about online, so I thought I'd give it a shot and do a little review on it. Here we have Meguiars plastx. Now this is a windshield cleaner for your foggy headlights like those. I've heard quite a bit about it. I'm going to go ahead and just do a little video of how to do it on here, or how it works, and just kind of see how it does. I think this bottle only costs $8, so it's pretty cheap. All you have to do to use this is you're going to get it on a cloth, wipe it on there, and you're going to rub it on there pretty good. The better and harder you rub it on there, the cleaner your headlight's going to be, and you're going to be able to see through it the best. And after you're done with that, you're just going to wipe it off with a dry cloth. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys the before and the after. Alright, and here's it when it's been done. After about 30 minutes, that looks quite a bit better than it did before. I can actually see the light bulb back in there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but so overall, I was about to say, I'm going to give this product an 8 of 10 because it definitely made it look a lot better, but it's not too brand new. But I don't know if there is any product out there that will make it look 100% brand new. So that being said, I think this product is definitely worth your time. And it's, like I said, only $8 or something like that. So if you get the chance, I would definitely pick some up.